MHPOWOS sent me this 110 watt folding solar panel. Let's test it out. I already have a number of folding portable solar panels, but what attracted me to this particular panel is the form factor. My other panels are 120 watts and they're 4 panels. This is 110 watts and only 2, so it's significantly smaller. Check that out. It also comes with this amazing octopus. In this pocket are 2 cables. There's the solar octopus and the connectors. There's only one way to attach them, just like this. And then you have all of these inputs. There are 5 DC connectors, Anderson and XT60. So let's set up this panel and check it on the power station, see how it works. There are legs that unfold so that you can adjust the angle and you know which way to set it up. So I am going to see where my shadow is the straightest. My power station uses XT60 connectors for the solar input. This can only go one way. One end is squared off, the other is rounded. So I'm going to plug it in. Hey, I'm getting 75 watts out of this 110 watt panel. That's pretty good. Let's see what happens when I put some shading on. I'm going to take the manual and just drape it over here. This is going to simulate something falling on the solar panel or some shade. Anti-shading technology prevents the whole solar panel from shutting off if part of the solar panel is blocked. Think of old Christmas lights. The old ones, when one of the bulbs was out, the whole string would be out. And now with the new ones, if one bulb is out, it just bypasses that bulb and the rest of the string is lit. So same with solar panels. With anti-shading technology, when one part of the solar panel is blocked, the rest of the panel still works. So this panel, with one section blocked, is bringing in 40 watts. Let's unblock it, and it's going up and up. It's at 73, 72. So that's pretty good. We're at 74 watts now. My overall impression of this 110 watt folding solar panel from MHPOWOS is positive. I love this solar octopus. This is just the best thing ever. You can buy them separately, but the fact that it's included in this is just such a bonus because it will fit so many people's power stations without having to buy an adapter. I love the loops on the corners so that you can hang it instead of having it on the ground. When it is on the ground, they have these legs that you can fold out to get the perfect angle. I do wish that these had a little bit more adjustment to them, but they do work well. I also love that it's only 2 panels, where my regular 120 watt folding solar panel is 4 panels and significantly heavier. This is really lightweight. Here are the specs from the manual. Oh, and did I mention? It's waterproof. The manual also shows you how to connect panels together in series and parallel to get even more energy into your power station. So I want to thank MHPOWOS for sending me this panel. I definitely recommend it. And if you guys want a discount code, check the comments. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.